Final dose index. Yeah, I already put in the
That
chat
will
box
be
the
better
document.
actually. Final dossier index.
Yes. Chairman, now we'll break for lunch.
Yeah, now we'll complete this one. I mean, 2 minutes and then we'll break. Yeah. Okay, so this is done. Examine the system for punch list. Punch list we have seen. Punch list points are there. I will put the same point of punch list what we discussed before in the punch list. Is in. Review the utility and this one. So review the utility, protective HSE and support system. No significant concern identified. Yes. So there is no major utility. We are happy.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, here you can correct the punch list column. Yeah, out of 163, 135 has been closed.
No, please do not change because this point we have taken in the PHSER 4. Do not change the number now, please.
Okay.
Let us keep the same numbers because this point was just discussed in the PHSER 4 until there is a major change. Review the commission of when you are going to completely review the commissioning activity.
Commissioning is completed.
Already completed, no?
Completed, huh?
Yeah.